Hey, Scott Grove here, and I'm with Steve Orr at Reva Shelf at the AWSF show in Las Vegas. And if you don't know, Reva Shelf is like, you know, God as far as inserts and pullouts and everything. They're just great, and they got some new product here, which we're going to check out. It's up for the Innovation Award, so good luck on that. But what do you got here? Show us what you got.
So this is one of my favorite new products. We're in our laundry display. We had a lot of requests for this. This is our pull-out drying rack. It's a 4WDR. What it is you pull it out,
Oh, wow.
and it extends out to lay out flat, so you can flat dry your sweaters, or you can actually go like this and you can stack it, keep the clothes off the floor. So this is a complete drawer. It's designed for a 24-inch base. The drawer itself comes with the slides or without the slides. We offer two different options. You just put it in, put your drawer face on, and that's a really unique solution for drying your clothes.
That's great. That's great. Because, you know, so are you saying I can come back later today and dry my shirt on this?
It's hot enough in Vegas.
It won't be pretty, but, you know. Well, excellent. That's great. I wish you luck on the Visionary Award, and check out Reva Shelf. This is really cool. I think my wife would love that one.
All right.
So, yeah, great.
All right,
okay.
thanks, Scott.
Thank you. Yep.